What time is it? It's science time!
Want to take your slime to another level? Mix 2/3 cup of white glue and 1/4 cup water. Then add in 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. If you want, this is when you can add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Mix all of these ingredients together really well. Then add in 1½ tablespoons of contact solution. Now it's time to play with some soft, stretchy super slime.
Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.